Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to trim video in VLC Media Player. Some provide full guide. So simply at first open your VLC Media and select a video. So like I'm select this video and I'm trim this video. Okay, so at first go to view section. As you can see, showing here to advanced control. Just make sure to enable this, but exactly not showing here to trim option. So you just start to record and play this video. So at first trim 2 seconds and another to start recording. Okay, just play and start record to trim this part. Okay, this is on and only way to do this, but otherwise not possible to trim your video. So that's it.